Hey guys, and welcome on in for today's video where I want to walk you through the steps on how you can receive or request money from other PayPal users. So essentially what you need to do is log into your PayPal account, and from the home page at the top there should be a tab that says send and request money. So we're going to go ahead and select that option. And then that'll take you over to the send and request page. And of course, it's going to start us off here with the send option. So we're going to go ahead and click on request. And what you need to do is in this little box under where it says request money from anyone, either type in their name, their PayPal username, the email that's associated with their PayPal account, or the mobile number that is associated with their account. And once you type that in, you should be able to find the individual that you're looking for. And also you can request money from multiple people at the same time if you want to do that. And they also have an interesting feature that allows you to split a bill with one or more people. So we're going to walk through that. I'm going to type in somebody's email here so we can move on to the next page. So then on the next page, you can go ahead and enter how much money you want to request from this individual right here at the top. So let's say you want to request $20, so you can just type that in at the top. And you can also add other individuals on this page if you want to request money from more than one person. And like I said, it also gives you this interesting option here to split a bill. So we're going to click on that and show you what that entails. So on the split bill option, let's say you want to split a bill that is $20, and you can include your share of the bill by clicking this little box right here, and you can enter how much of that $20 you want to split for yourself, and the rest will be up to the other individual that you want to split that bill with. And again, you can also add another individual to split it, not just two ways, but more ways beyond that. But then we're going to go back and click on the request money option. If you want, you can also add a little note here to explain to the person why you're requesting the money that is entailed. In this instance, that would be $20. So I could write something like, this is your part of our cell phone bill this month, or part of our cable bill, or whatever you need that money for. You can just add in a little note in that area. And then once all that is set and ready to go, then scroll down to the bottom and click where it says request now. And then if everything is successful, you should get a little green check mark and say that you requested $20, and this is US dollars. Of course, you can change that currency around if you want, and then from the individual's PayPal account that you happened to enter. So from this point, you can request more money, or you can go back to the home page by clicking summary. But I hope this video is helpful in terms of walking you through the process on how you can receive or request money from other individuals on PayPal. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and hope to see you back here for future videos.